So I've just finished welding in this section here, which you can see in last week's episode, and today we're going to be tackling this lower sill and the arch. So as you have just seen on camera, I've cut out all the arch, that's the outer arch, the outer sill, that's all cut out. I've cleaned up the edge, which I didn't show on camera. However, it leads us on to more issues with the inner sill. So this sill has definitely seen better days. Another bit of expanding foam in there. So yeah, there's going to be quite a lot of repairs on this inner sill as well. Obviously there's that hole in the B, behind the old B pillar in the back there, that's all rotten. So I've just sprayed over with some Dinitrol. I'll leave it there for now. So I've cut out the majority of the arch and the outer sill. All cleaned up. Now I've just got to sort of like wait for all this to dry, and then I can start trial fitting the sill, the arch, and then I still need to work out where I'm going to cut all of this to, what shape I'm cutting it, and yeah, obviously down here, and then this B pillar needs cutting out, but that will be for another time. I would say tomorrow, but I think I'm going to go watch the football tomorrow. Come on you Reds. I think Southampton are playing, I don't know who they're playing some Spanish team. They played Lazio the other day. That was a great game. Well, I say a great game, it was a great goal from Lazio anyway. Right, where am I going? I'm supposed to be tidying up. Right, well I'm going to get everything tidied up here, and then, I don't know when I'll be back out here, but I'll be back out here some other time, but you'll see that. Right now, I think I'm going to start off actually with this repair in here. See, it's all sort of like right through, and that's sort of just in this section just here. It's not that bad. Right, we'll carry on with this another time. So I don't know how long ago it was that I actually filmed, probably over a week ago. No, it was last Friday we filmed, and since then I've got in 15 hours of work. And in that 15 hours I've cut out that section of sill, of the inner sill, repaired that. We've had all of this bottom B pillar that's had to be repaired. You can see I've had to make that bottom section there. So that's all been repaired. We had a repair in here that had to be done. Another repair in there. I've still got one there that I need to cut out that section and do that. Underneath, so there's that inner sill section that I replaced. All of this section here, lovely. That is actually all seam. It's not overlapped. They're perfectly butt welds, but it's just I can't be bothered to grind any of it back. We had a couple of repairs to bottom of the step, bottom of the slider, and the rest of it looks pretty good all the way down. Just a hole up in here, which I don't know how well you can see, but it's just in there. There's a hole, and I don't really want to be dropping the fuel tank to get to the repair, which is up here. That's why I'm going to cut this section out here so I can repair this top bit and then do the repair on that section there, but from this side. And that's taken 15 hours to do these repairs. Oh yeah, I also done that repair there on the front. So that was last Friday, 7 hours, and today, again Friday, another, well, 8 hours today. Everything's been treated, and then, yeah, we can stone chip all the inside, just to give it more protection. And then we can get on with the outer arch, outer sill, B-pillar, and then all of that grot. So there's a little hole there. I think there might be a hole at the back there, not 100% sure. I can stay in there. I just want to get it done now as quick as possible. Although the roof doesn't look great, it's because the reason why it's warped, there's loads of different patches and shapes and all over the place. Too much heat, and of course it was raining, so that was my issues. Yeah, I could cut it all out and sort it out properly, but I don't know if I could be bothered. Right, well, I think we're going to call it. Right, well, I'm going to call it a day now and call it the end of this video. Next time, I wanted to get all the sill and the arch all done today, everything done in this one episode, but a lot of repairs that needed to be done, which didn't need to be done on the other side, but it is what it is. Maybe you shouldn't say that. Not a lot I can do about it though. Right, until next time. I am happy, I'm just, there's just a lot to get on with still. Right, anyway, take care, stay safe, and God bless.